back. This is Mirna with Knitting with Mirna, and today's lesson is the knit stitch. For this, I'm going to be using the Bernard Softy Chunky yarn in a super bulky weight, size 11 straight needles by Knit Picks. Let's begin. Okay, so earlier we shared a video on how to cast on. So I have my stitches all ready to go. You're going to insert your right needle into the first stitch like this. So it's going to go under the needle, creating the left needle, creating like a T or an X. You're going to take your working yarn. This is the yarn that is attached to the ball. You're going to bring it forward, wrap it around the right needle, holding the needle and the yarn together. You're going to pull them through the loop and out, and then you're going to release the left stitch. Let's do it again. The right needle goes into the loop under the left needle, creating an X or a T shape. You're going to bring the working yarn forward, wrap it around the right needle, holding your needle and the yarn, pull through and release that left stitch. Okay, insert the needle into the loop, bring the yarn forward, wrapped around, holding the needle and the yarn together. I like to use my index finger to push the right needle out, kind of like to guide it through the loop and out. Yeah. I'll do it once again. Forward, through, out. Insert your right needle into the loop, under. It's kind of tight, sorry. I had a tight cast on. Bring the yarn forward, wrap it around the needle, bring the yarn and the needle through the loop, release that left stitch. Insert, wrap through the loop, release the stitch. Insert the needle into the stitch, wrap around, come forward, through the loop, release the stitch. And here's your last stitch on the cast on. Wrap it around, bring the needle and the yarn through the loop, release. And there it is. The knit stitch. Yes, pretty good. Here is your knit stitch. Thank you for watching. This is a new channel, so please subscribe and check out our other videos. Don't forget to click like and to leave me your comments. I really want to hear from you, know what you're working on, or if you're like to see me knit anything in particular, or if you want to learn any stitches, just leave comments below. Thank you.